Thank you for choosing Trafft, the platform that minimizes what you need to do to get your business online while maximizing your results. Let's explore how easy it is to use Trafft's no-code platform to run and automate your most critical business processes. General Settings is where you go to configure default settings for your bookings, set regular business hours, add appointment booking rules, customize email notifications, and much more. Services is where you set up services, virtual appointments, offline sessions, or other offerings. Just a few bits of info are needed. Give it a name, write a short description, assign employees, set a duration, and add a price. Employees is where you add new team members, add personal details, assign services, customize their weekly availability, and schedule time off. Customize is where you update how the customer-facing booking page works and looks. Choose a light or dark theme for your page. Then customize everything from the font to the color, as well as from the images to the layout. Preview your custom booking page design. When it's ready to go, either share the standalone page with others or embed the code into your company website. Want to optimize your online booking process even further? Explore Trafft's integrations. Connect with apps like Zoom, Google Calendar, and MailChimp in just a couple clicks. Don't worry if you run into trouble. Click the question mark in the top right corner to review documentation, or click the blue chat button in the bottom right corner to request support from the chatbot or one of our experts. Spend an hour or two now to streamline and automate your online business management with Trafft. And give yourself an extra hour or two every day to invest back into your business and customers.
If you're looking for information on the Trafft Lifetime deal and review, you've come to the right place. The Trafft Lifetime deal was launched on AppSumo with a significant discount, and in this video, we'll share all the details of the deal. We'll cover what the lifetime deal entails, what features are included, and whether or not we think it's worth taking advantage of. By the end of this video, you'll have everything you need to know about the Trafft Lifetime deal so that you can make an informed decision about whether or not it's right for you. Manage multiple client accounts with custom access levels and white labeling features on one dashboard with an agency account. Automate one-time, recurring, or group meetings and manage all your Google, Outlook, or iOS calendars from the Android app. Use this scheduling software to book and manage client appointments for your agency or small business. Trafft is an automated booking platform packed with powerful features for service businesses and agencies with multiple clients. Trafft's Tier 3 is perfect for agencies that want to manage multiple client accounts on one dashboard. With an agency account, you can white label booking features to reflect your brand and even analyze booking performance across employees or services. You'll be able to assign different access levels to clients so they can easily find what they're looking for. Trafft even lets users create profiles to manage appointments, saving you from having to update everything on your own time. Trafft lets you sync multiple Google, Outlook, and iOS calendars to ensure times and dates are always up to date. Got remote employees? Trafft's automated time zone management will update appointment times across time zones. You can also automatically set buffer times for meetings and offer group bookings and recurring appointments. Plus, you'll be able to manage working hours, days off, and special days to make sure you're only getting booked when available. You can customize booking sites with pre-made themes that align with the look and feel of your brand or your client's brand. Share booking details with a link or QR code via social media and email, with the option to offer private services using direct links. Trafft also offers smart integrations for tools like WhatsApp, Acuity, and MailChimp, letting you keep clients in the loop and effortlessly launch email campaigns. Thanks to Trafft's Android mobile app, business owners and employees can stay connected and manage appointments from anywhere. Use the app wherever and whenever to view appointments, coordinate schedules, check availability, and reschedule calls. That means you can access your calendar, booking details, and customer information while traveling or working from home without missing a beat. The slowest way to grow your agency is to create a super confusing booking experience for your prospects. Thankfully, Trafft makes it simple to manage multiple bookings for clients and employees from one easy-to-navigate dashboard. Need more, stress less. Why are you late? Get lifetime access to Trafft today. One-time purchase of $59 only. 60-day money-back guarantee.